Hello and welcome back to ENG ENGINE. This video has a short moral story. Before we start, just give a hit on the bell icon. Okay guys, now to the story. Try to read the story louder to enable clear pronunciation. Never act before you think. Once upon a time, a farmer had a hen that laid a golden egg every day. The farmer got enough money to support his family. The farmer led a happy life for a long time. One day, the farmer asked his wife, "Why should we just take one egg a day? Why can't we take all the eggs at once and make a lot of money?" His wife foolishly agreed to this. The next day, as the hen laid its egg, the farmer was quick with a sharp knife. He killed the hen and cut its stomach open to take all the golden eggs. But he found only flesh and blood. The farmer realized his foolish mistake and began to cry. As days went on, the farmer and his wife became poorer and poorer. The moral of the story is, don't be greedy. Hope you like the story. Kindly share the video to your friends. Thanks for watching.